Hello everyone, welcome back to another latest video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix app not available. This app is not available in your country. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, as you can see, as I open the app store on my device and search for the YouTube music, as you can see, YouTube music is not available in my app store. And if after this I tried here in the Safari app, for the YouTube music, you can see here it is, it's always popping up, app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. So how to fix? Go back to your home screen and then open App Store. Now tap on Apple ID icon and now tap on Apple ID profile. And now tap on country or region. And now change country or region and select a country which supports the app you want to install. So YouTube music is supported by United States, so I'm going to select here this one and then tap here on agree. Again tap on agree and now tap on none. And here is a credit, debit card, PayPal and none. So you have to select the payment method from here at none and then put here the formalities. You can put fake one and select from city from here. I'm selecting for California, and here you have to put the zip code for the state or city. So if you don't know about the zip code, go to the Safari app and search here for the zip code for California. You have to search for your city as well. So here it is. Go back and put this one 90203 and then here you have to give the phone number. You can put fake one and now tap on done. Now search for the app here you want to install. Here it is, YouTube music. So I can download from here. So that's it for today video. Thanks for watching.